Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC B0030-1A, indicating a decrease in resistance associated with the left rear side airbag inflator in the 2023 Honda Accord. The airbag system in a vehicle is a critical safety feature designed to protect occupants during collisions. The left rear side airbag, in particular, provides protection during side impacts, and any fault in this system can compromise passenger safety. The SRS, Supplemental Restraint System, unit monitors various airbag components, and when it detects lower than specified voltage in the inflator circuit, it will trigger the DTC B0030-1A. Proper diagnosis is essential to ensure that all airbag components are functioning correctly and that the vehicle is safe to operate. This guide will outline the error description, possible causes, symptoms, and detailed troubleshooting steps to resolve the DTC effectively. The DTC B0030-1A suggests that there is a decrease in resistance in the left rear side airbag inflator. The main components affected by this code include the left rear side airbag, the inflator itself, and the SRS unit. The left rear side airbag is located in the side trim of the rear passenger area and is responsible for deploying during a side impact to cushion the passenger. The inflator generates gas to fill the airbag, ensuring it deploys rapidly. If there is an issue with resistance in this inflator, it implies a malfunction that could prevent proper deployment. The SRS unit, also located within the vehicle cabin, monitors the airbag system's functions through various sensors and electrical signals. When this unit detects lower than specified resistance in the inflator circuit, it interprets this as an abnormal condition, thereby storing the DTC B0030-1A in its memory. Understanding the roles and locations of these components is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Several factors may trigger DTC B0030-1A. One of the most common causes is a faulty left rear side airbag. If the airbag has been damaged, whether due to a previous collision or manufacturing defects, it may not function correctly, leading to decreased resistance in the inflator. Additionally, wire short circuits in the LRSA plus and LRSA minus circuits could also cause erroneous readings. These wires must transmit the correct voltage and resistances to the SRS unit, and any physical damage can disrupt this signal. Finally, a malfunctioning SRS unit can falsely report a decreased resistance, impacting the overall performance of the airbag system. By identifying these possible causes, technicians can narrow down the source of the issue for more efficient repairs. The symptoms associated with DTC B0030-1A are primarily safety-related and should not be overlooked. One significant indicator is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard. This light typically signals that the airbag system has detected a fault and is disabled, which means the safety system may not work properly in a collision. Furthermore, in the event of an accident, there may be no airbag deployment from the left rear side airbag, exposing passengers to greater risk of injury. Lastly, the presence of DTC B0030-1A itself in the vehicle's computer system indicates that further investigation is required. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for ensuring the vehicle meets safety standards and that passengers remain protected. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0030-1A involves confirming the condition of the vehicle's airbag system. To begin, you need to turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position. It is essential to allow the system to remain in this state for a minimum of 10 seconds. During this period, the SRS unit performs self-checks and assesses the state of the left rear side airbag inflator. If the DTC is not present after this procedure, it indicates that the issue might be intermittent or related to a temporary condition. If the DTC B0030-1A is still indicated, it confirms that a more thorough inspection of the left rear side airbag and its associated circuits is necessary. Maintaining proper SRS functionality is crucial for passenger safety, and this initial step lays the groundwork for further tests. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the left rear side airbag directly. To start, ensure the left rear side airbag inflator connector is disconnected. This is crucial for safety before further examination. Look for any visible damage, such as tears or physical deformities, which may impair the airbag's function. It is also essential to verify that all electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion or dirt. If any issues are found, replacing the airbag with a new compliant part may be necessary. This step helps to establish whether the airbag itself is the primary source of the problem. Affected airbag components should be investigated to ensure all safety features are intact and operational. The third step focuses on inspecting the LRSA Plus and LRSA Minus circuits for possible shorted wires. Begin the process by disconnecting the SRS unit connector B and the left rear side airbag inflator connector. After ensuring that both connectors are detached, connect the appropriate terminals from the SRS unit connector B to the SRS short canceller. With the vehicle in IG mode, conduct a wire inspection to determine if there are any shorts within the LRSA Plus and LRSA Minus lines. Ideal readings should show resistance greater than 1 megaohm, which indicates healthy wiring. If the resistance is lower, it signifies a potential short circuit, which would require locating and repairing the damaged wiring. This step directly analyzes the electrical integrity of the circuits, vital for airbag performance. The final troubleshooting step assesses the SRS unit itself. If prior inspections of the left rear side airbag and the associated wiring have indicated normal operation, this suggests that the SRS unit itself may be at fault. The SRS unit is essential for processing input from various sensors to determine when an airbag should deploy. If it isn't functioning correctly, it may misinterpret the conditions and store a false DTC. Technicians will need to inspect the SRS unit for electrical defects or internal faults that could impair its performance. Should this component be diagnosed as malfunctioning, replacement with a new unit that meets manufacturer specifications would be necessary to restore full safety functionality. After repairs have been completed, the next step is to conduct a final verification process. Begin by clearing the DTC B0030-1A from the vehicle's onboard computer system. This step is vital because it resets the SRS system and allows you to test whether the DTC returns. Once cleared, perform comprehensive system checks to ensure all airbag components are functioning properly. It is also important to test the airbag deployment mechanism by simulating conditions that would cause deployment without compromising safety. Ensuring that all systems work as intended guarantees that passengers are adequately protected in the event of a collision. This final verification step is crucial to confirm that all issues related to DTC B0030-1A have been adequately addressed. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and functionality of the vehicle's airbag system. Establishing a regular inspection schedule specifically for the airbag system components, including wiring and connectors, should be part of standard maintenance practices. Conducting periodic checks for corrosion, loose connections, or physical damage can help mitigate issues before they escalate into serious problems. Additionally, keeping the vehicle's software up to date with the latest manufacturer releases is essential, as firmware updates can resolve bugs related to the SRS system. This practice not only enhances performance, but also ensures compliance with the latest safety regulations. Effective preventive maintenance helps maintain safe vehicle operation and protects passengers in the long run. In conclusion, understanding and troubleshooting DTC B0030-1A is crucial for maintaining the safety features of the 2023 Honda Accord. The SRS system's integral role cannot be underestimated, as it directly impacts passenger safety during frontal and side collisions. The diagnostic steps outlined provide clear and systematic methods for identifying and resolving issues related to the left rear side airbag inflator and associated circuits. Emphasizing safety should always be a priority, with regular inspections and preventive maintenance serving as essential components of vehicle care. Addressing DTC B0030-1A promptly ensures that the vehicle is safe for operation, protecting both drivers and passengers alike. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.